Hello, all. We have an insightful session ahead where we'll uncover how AI is shaping the future of customer service. So, today's session is all about the future of customer service that boosts the business growth with the help of AI. I'm Samina, your presenter for this session, and I'll be walking you through how BoldDesk AI powered features can transform your customer support experiences. So, before we get started, let's have a glimpse of what's coming up in today's session. So first we'll be discussing about the pain points, that is the roadblocks of traditional customer support, and we'll see how AI transforms the customer services, and then we'll see or experience BoldDesk AI features in action, and finally we'll conclude with a live Q&A session where your questions will be answered by our experts. Now, let's first take a closer look at the common challenges faced by the businesses due to this traditional customer support system. So, these are some of the 5 major issues faced by the organization. So, the first issue is high ticket volumes. We know that as business starts to grow, so does the number of inquiries. So the support agents usually struggle with the overwhelming number of queries, which sometimes leads to slow response time or inefficiency. And the next issue is manual ticket management. In traditional method, support agents has to do all those sorting, categorizing, prioritizing work by their own. So this might take a longer time, which delays the resolution and increases the workload. Next, moving on to another common issue, that is limited self-service options. Limited self-service options can frustrate customers who usually prefer to find answers by their own. So, without any knowledge base, frequently asked questions, or any other resources, businesses usually force customers to rely on the support agents for basic questions. Next issue is inconsistent responses. So inconsistent responses occurs when multiple support agents handle similar issue, but they provide different solutions or different level of services. So this variation can confuse the customers. It can also reduce trust and ultimately harm the overall customer service experiences. And finally, we have language barrier. So language barrier can make it challenging to assist customer who speak different languages. So without any automated translation tools, agents may struggle to communicate efficiently with people who speak multiple languages. So this can also lead to misunderstanding and delay in resolving these issues. So these are some of the common challenges that negatively impact both the customers and the support agents. Now let's see how AI can turn these pain points into opportunity. AI powered automation always solves these challenges by bringing intelligence and efficiency to customer support operations. So these are some of the AI features which helps us to solve the issues. The first feature is instant responses. So we can give instant responses with the help of AI driven assistants. These AI-driven assistants help us to reduce the workload of an agent. And the next feature is smart ticket management. Smart ticket management with the help of AI can auto-summarize the content of the ticket by its own. So the presence of the support agent is not necessary here. It can work on its own. So next we have consistent and professional replies. So all these consistent and professional replies are given with the help of AI assisted response suggestions. So we can get relevant suggestions to respond to the customers. And then we have seamless multilingual support. So these are real-time AI powered translation features which enables business to communicate with customers in their preferred language instantly. And finally we have enhanced self-service. So all these self-service features gives intelligent knowledge-based recommendations. So these recommendations are utilized by the AI to suggest relevant articles and solutions based on the user's inquiry. Now let's see BoldDesk AI features in action through a live demonstration. For that, I'm going to log into the agent portal as an admin. So this is the agent portal. So before exploring the AI features, first we have to enable those AI features in the admin portal. So in the left hand menu you can find option called admin. Click onto it. Here under settings option you have AI features. So you have to enable this AI assist features. So once you have done with this, you have to enable all these features individually. And make sure that your support agent enable this option, because if he or she finds any issue or struggles with BoldDesk features, this AI Copilot will help them by giving some answers or suggest solution to rectify those issues. So make sure that you select this or enable this option. Once you are done with this, click update to integrate all these AI features into your system. So now all these AI features are updated in the system, so you can find it in its respective places. So click on to tickets to view those AI features. So I'm going to select this ticket. Here you can view the entire conversation happen between the customer and support agent. So rather than reading all these conversation manually, we can use the AI feature called summarize. So this summarize feature will generate a concise overview of the content and the conversation exchanged between the both ends. So this is a conversation summary, and you can also see the intent. And this is how summary works. And next to summary we have another AI feature, that is AI Copilot. So for that you have to click on to this response box, and on the right top you can find AI Copilot feature. So this AI Copilot will help the support agent to get relevant answers. So once when a support agent asks for any query, this AI Copilot will fetch answers from the knowledge base and provide us with a relevant solution quickly. So the support agent can either click on to this option, or they can also ask questions here. Let's check how both the option works. So I'm going to click on to this option and see how AI Copilot fetches answer from the knowledge base. So this is how it does. And if the support agent didn't find this response as relevant to this ticket, they can ask question here. Now I'm going to ask a question to the AI Copilot. So the AI Copilot will find relevant answers from the knowledge base and give us some of the suggestions to respond to this ticket. So it has generated a solution. So below to this content you can find an option called use as reply. If you click on to this option, it will automatically paste this content in the response box. So this is how we use AI Copilot to respond to that particular ticket. And above to this you can find a button called ask AI. So this is also a AI Copilot feature. It is a general feature. So as I said earlier, if your support agent find any difficulty with BoldDesk features or any general difficulty, they can ask their query here, so that this AI Copilot will also get information from the knowledge base and give some of the solutions to the support agents. So this is how AI Copilot works. And now let's see other AI features like rephrase, translate, etc. For that I'm going to add a different content here to check whether those rephrase, translate functions are working properly. So now I'm going to paste another content, and here you can find an option called AI Assist. So if you click on to this drop down menu, you can find all these AI features. So first let's check with rephrase. So here this rephrase feature will help us to paraphrase this content. So here you have three tones, standard, fluent and professional. You can select any one of the thing which is very comfortable for you. So here I have selected the standard tone and I'm going to click as regenerate. Now this content will be rephrased. Yeah, you can see some of the changes have been made to this content, and if you click on to replace, this content will be pasted instead of the previous one. So this is how rephrase option works. And next we'll see elaborate. This elaborate feature will help us to briefly explain the content which has been selected. So here we have three tones, standard, fluent and professional. So I have selected standard, and next to tones we have length. So here we have four options, that is default, short, medium, large. So I have selected default, and as you can see all these content has been briefly explained here. Now I'm going to click replace. So the content is replaced here. So this is how elaborate works. And next to elaborate we have shorten. So this is the opposite of elaborate. So it will summarize the whole content into a small paragraph. So this is how shorten works. So next to shorten we have correct grammar. So this feature helps the support agent to reduce all those human errors done in the grammar part. And next to correct grammar we have review response. So this feature helps the support agent to check whether they answered for all the questions asked by the customers. So this is how it works, and it shows what are the points that has been addressed and what are the things that is not appropriate or it has not been answered by the support agent. And it also suggests some of the response ideas so that the support agent can use this suggested response to answer to the customers. So this is how the review response works. And next we have translate. So translate is considered as one of the key feature of BoldDesk, because BoldDesk support around 33 global languages which is spoken by people around the world. So it simply converts all these content into the preferable language. For that you have to select the target language. Here I'm going to select as Arabic. So it will take a few seconds to convert all these content into the preferable language. So this is how it does. And once it is converted, you can click replace to replace the content here. So this is how it works, and we saw all these AI features in the response box. Now let's move our focus to the knowledge base and see how AI helps knowledge base to publish their articles. So here in the left hand menu we have knowledge base. Click onto it. So now while creating a new article, instead of writing the whole content manually, you can use the AI feature. So here you can simply paste the title, and this AI feature will generate the whole content based on the title provided. So it will take a few seconds to generate the content, and so this is how it does. And you can also do the vice versa of this process. So once you click insert, the whole content will be pasted here. So even here you can find all those AI assist features like rephrase, elaborate, shorten, etc. So here you can also translate the whole content into any particular language with the help of AI translate tool. And you also have the AI feature to generate the SEO friendly meta titles and meta description. So these AI feature help the support agent to generate or create a new article quickly. And in knowledge base we have some more features. So in the drop down menu you can find an option called artificial intelligence. So under artificial intelligence, select source to view these three features, that is custom answer, web pages and files. So let's first take a look at custom answers. Custom answers are pre-written response created by our support agents to reply to the customer ticket within just a few clicks. So these custom answers in BoldDesk are only visible to your support agents, not to the customers. This means the internal guidance or the sensitive troubleshooting notes or any restricted information stays hidden from the customer. So the use of custom answer is to ensure that your team stays aligned internally without accidentally disclosing information that are not meant to be public. So to add one, you have to click add custom answer. So here you have to provide a question and a corresponding answer to that question. So here I have entered the question and now I'm going to give the answer. And once you are done with this part, you have to click publish to publish this question. So you can also create custom answer in the tickets option. So here you have to select any one of the ticket and you can convert the response of this ticket into a custom answer. So here you have to select this option to convert this response to a custom answer. So once you click onto that option, the subject will be set as question and the response will be set as the answer. So after doing this, you have to click publish to publish this question. So this is how custom answer works. And next to custom answer, we have web pages. Here, BoldDesk allows you to sync your official web pages directly into the system. That means when AI Copilot is assisting in generating a response to a customer query, it can automatically fetch information from all those synced web pages. So if you have any product page or policy page or documentation hosted on your website or any other website, you can sync it and BoldDesk will use that as a reliable source to craft an intelligent response. So to sync a new web page, you have to click add web page and you have to select the brand name, and after selecting the brand you have to paste the URL. So I have pasted the parent URL here. After doing this process, you have to select the access scope. So here I have selected public, and once you're done with this, click add and sync so that the parent web page will be synced with the system. So this is how you work on a web page. And next to web page, you have files. Here, BoldDesk allows you to upload external files like PDFs directly into the system. So this is incredibly useful when you have product manuals, technical documents or any internal SOPs that are not yet published in the knowledge base but still contain valuable information that can help your support agents need. So you can upload files by clicking add file. So after selecting the brand, you have to select the access scope. Here I have selected public, and once you're done with this, upload the file and click add files to sync this PDF with the system. So once the PDF is uploaded, AI Copilot can fetch information from these PDFs when generating relevant responses to the customer queries. So this is how files work. And next to source, we have unanswered questions. In BoldDesk, if the AI Copilot can't answer a customer's question, it gets saved under the unanswered question section with a status of pending. So this lets the support agent step in and add a correct answer to it. So once they do, the AI learns from it and can respond better next time. So here I'm going to select this question. So you can select any one of the options below. So I'm selecting custom answer, and here you have to give relevant answer to it. So once you're done with this process, you can click publish to respond to this query. So we are done with this question, and after doing this, the support agent has to change the status of this this query. So this is how you work on unanswered question. So these are the other features in the knowledge base. And now let's see how the AI feature helps the customers in the customer portal. For that, I'm going to log in as a customer using a different email address. And here I'm going to paste the customer portal URL. So it will redirect me to the portal page. And here I'm going to ask a question. So by clicking here, this AI feature will generate a relevant answer to the question I have asked. So this is how it answers. So I hope that you understood all those AI features in both customer portal and agent portal. All those AI features in the agent portal will help the support agent to work quicker and to reduce all those human errors. And in the customer portal, it helps the customers to get answers quickly rather than waiting for a longer time. And that brings us to the end of today's session. We looked at how the AI features in BoldDesk can improve the customer service, and there are many more features available in BoldDesk. So stay tuned for our upcoming webinars where we'll be covering them. And if you face any difficulty in integrating all these AI features in your system, feel free to sign up for our free demo session where our team will be happy to assist you. And thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in our future sessions. Thank you.